In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a PDF into PowerPoint. 3 easy ways for both Windows and Mac, specifically using PowerPoint 2019. So if you've ever found yourself needing to showcase a PDF document in your presentations, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Whether you're using a Windows machine or a Mac, the process is quite similar. Once you have PowerPoint opened up, navigate to the specific presentation where you want to insert your PDF. Make sure to have your presentation open on the screen, preferably in the edit or design view, so you can easily add elements to your slides. Now, focus your attention on the toolbar at the top of your PowerPoint window. You're looking for the Insert tab. Click on it to reveal a host of different options you can use to enhance your presentation. All sorts of things can be added via this route, from images to audio files, but today our focus is on inserting a PDF. Once you've clicked on the Insert tab, your next step is to find and select Object from the available options. The Object function is like the Swiss Army knife of PowerPoint, permitting you to embed and display a variety of file types within your presentation. A pop-up window will appear once you've clicked Object. In the pop-up you'll see a couple of options, but what you're interested in is Create from File. This option allows us to embed files directly into the presentation, which is exactly what we need for inserting a PDF. Go ahead and select Create from File. With Create from File selected, the next step is to click on Browse. This action will open your File Explorer window, allowing you to navigate through your computer's folders and choose the PDF file you wish to insert. Take a moment here to find the right file that you need for this presentation and make sure you've selected it. After you've chosen your PDF, you'll notice an option labeled Display as Icon. Checking this box will add the PDF to your slide as a clickable icon, which can be particularly useful if you want to keep your slide visually uncluttered. This way the PDF won't dominate your presentation space, but will still be accessible to your audience. Once you have everything set the way you like, simply click OK. Your PDF file should now be embedded within your PowerPoint slide. You can move it around, resize it, or click on it to open it during your presentation. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully inserted a PDF into your PowerPoint presentation. This technique is perfect for when you need to reference longer documents or display supplemental material without overloading your slides with text. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more helpful tech tips.